Hey guys, I'm here at SHOT Show 2016. I'm here with Lou with Standard Manufacturing. Lou, you guys build a really awesome shotgun, the DB12. Tell us a little bit about it.
I'd be glad to. This is a double pump 12 gauge shotgun. It's bottom feed, bottom eject, holds 7 rounds in each magazine. Each magazine is dedicated to the barrel above it, so you hold 7 rounds in each magazine. You shuck it, you've just put 2 shells, 1 in each chamber, and now you can feed 2 more in there. It gives you a total capacity of 16 rounds in the gun.
Okay.
First time you pull the trigger, it shoots the right barrel. Second time you pull the trigger, it shoots the left barrel.
Okay.
You rack the slide, 2 spent shells come out, feed it forward, you got 2 fresh shells.
Okay.
Right barrel, left barrel, right barrel, left barrel, right barrel, left barrel. Just as quick as you can do that, you can cycle through 16 rounds of shells very quickly.
You know, yesterday I was at a media day with you and I saw your gun in action. I didn't get a chance to shoot it myself, but is there a way to choose which barrel you're off of, which one you're using or which one you load from?
No, you cannot. It's always the right barrel first and left barrel second.
Okay, so no matter what, there's no way of just putting in buckshot in one and slugs in another or anything like that?
You will, but you will get alternate shots with the pull of the trigger.
Okay. Can your barrels and everything handle any of the loads across the board?
Yes, they can. It'll take any 2 3/4 to 3 inch shells. We've tested the gun extensively with every known possible ammunition out there, and this gun is very reliable with all the different types of 2 3/4 and 3 inch shells.
Interesting. I like the way that it looks. I like the breachers that are out here on the front. Do you have any problems if you're putting this up against a door? Let's say a tactical team wants to use it, with putting it and blowing your barrels, or is this enough room for it to actually escape the gas?
Well, the whole idea is to use the door breachers to really break apart the mechanical part of the lock and then pull back and shoot through it. So I'm not suggesting that you have something in there. And for you to have the gun up against the door exactly perfect, where it's perpendicular and sealed, that's very hard to do, especially where you're going down at an angle. But that's nearly impossible to do, and there is enough ventilation there where the pressure of the barrels is going to be shooting out to the side. But again, you're going to bang into it and then pull back and shoot through it.
Yeah. One of the things also I wanted to recommend to everybody out there is I've seen some of the other short-barreled shotguns that shoot just like this one, and usually you see the guys kicking backwards. There was a lot of younger girls yesterday that I saw shooting it. There was hardly any recoil based on both barrels coming out. I was amazed at that part.
Well, the reason for that is that we've put all the energy of the gun firing between your arms.
Yeah.
For example, we're familiar with the classic 55-inch long shotgun where all the energy is way ahead of you here. This is really between your arms. And secondly, and the most important thing, is that we have a recoil absorption system. There's 2 springs in here that are absorbing the energy from the recoil, so you're not soaking up all that energy. So having all the energy between your arms contained instead of way out and ahead of you, that's the first thing that is going to stop the energy from really giving you that sensation of recoil. But secondly, any recoil in this gun is being absorbed by the recoil absorption system that we've designed into this gun, and it's a very, very comfortable. And it doesn't look it, but this is a very, very comfortable gun to shoot.
Yeah, it looked it yesterday. I wish I could have. The line was just tremendously long yesterday, and so definitely take a look at this gun, guys. Lou, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
We'll see ya.